Alright, so welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to show how you can actually run your installation wizard on your DSTV Explora decoder if you are living in Nigeria. So this should be the first page that will pop up whenever you switch on your Explora decoder. So you have to select your preferred language. We are going in with English, so you press OK with it on it, and then here we have the satellite. You need to select the E36B. If there is a different satellite on it, you have to change it to the E36B and you press OK with it. And when you come here, come down to the manual setup and press OK on it. Alright, so here we have the LMB type, and since it's an Explora decoder, you need a unique cable LMB to actually do the installation. So the LMB type have to be the unique cable TM/SACR. So if it has changed, you have to change it to the unique cable TM. And you have to check on the right side of the page that the signal status and the signal strength are actually showing up, indicating that there is a signal. If those blue tips doesn't show, you have to check your signal cable and the satellite to actually get a stable signal to proceed. So all you got to do is to come down to the scan option right here, as it has been highlighted. Okay, and you press OK. So whenever you press OK and it doesn't work, you have to actually adjust your satellite dish to get a stable signal to proceed with it. Alright, if you find this video helpful and you're new here, all you got to do is subscribe and you hit the bell icon. You lose absolutely nothing while subscribing. Thanks for watching.